Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix ingress timeout error on Instagram. So do you know why you get the ingress timeout error? Because Instagram, your ID is not able to create a proper connection to the Instagram server, and that's why you are facing this issue. That's why you're getting this error. So how you can solve it? So the very first solution I can give you, just go to the Play Store and on the search bar you have to type Instagram and make sure to update the app right now. So if you get the option update in the place of open, just update it right now because this will fix your problem. And if it doesn't, then you have to do one thing: select and hold the Instagram icon, and you have to go to the app info. You can go from the settings too, right, if you're using iOS. Then just go to the storage usage and clear here all the cache. After clearing the cache, this may fix a problem, and reopen the app once again. This may fix it. But if it doesn't, then I'm going to give you the best solution that will work for you definitely, right? So here you have to clear the data, and after clearing the data, this may fix all of your problem, because this will delete the unload data or wasteful data that is making the Instagram slow, and this will fix it. So after clearing data, you have to re-log in into the Instagram. So make sure that you know the Instagram ID and your password, right? So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did like this video right now, subscribe our channel and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.